Hello all, this is Vasant Manik. Welcome to my channel, The Chat Club. In this video, I'm gonna share some secret tips to easily grow bushy and longer pothos, which is also called as money plants, through water propagation. Come, let's see how. Okay, what's so fascinating and special about money plants? As a popular belief, a money plant is a money-making machine. By placing a money plant at home, one can gain financial prosperity and wealth. Money plants are kept in houses as they believe to bring good wealth to the home and spreads a significant amount of positive energy. Money plants also acts as an air purifier. Money plants has a distinctive ability to purify and eliminate all toxins and harmful elements from the air, and thus giving you a fresh air to breathe and live in. Also, they are very low maintenance plants and can thrive for a really long period compared to any other green plants. The money plant is the only plant that can grow in any season and does not require any specific climatic conditions to thrive. The most common mistake what we do when propagating a money plant is, after cutting it, we directly bury them into the soil. By doing so, there would be too much of stress on the leaves and the plant may find it difficult to propagate. Instead, you can try the water propagation method. To have a bushy money plant, you can try trimming the plant like this. It will be like there should be a root node and maybe one or two leaves. Try trimming like this. If you see this, there would be a root node for the root to propagate and a leaf. You can have as many cuttings as you want. The more number of cuttings, the more bushy the plant will be. Now we are going to try a very simple water propagation method. The cuttings has a root node for the root to get propagated and a leaf. Just try using simple tap water. Try to change the water frequently. Make sure that there is no algae formation on the roots. Don't add any fertilizer to this water. Money plant can grow indoor, but still, if you want them to grow rapidly, try to place them in a bright indirect sunlight. The purpose of frequently changing the water is that the root will get good amount of new oxygen and also there won't be built-up of CO2. I have tried water propagation method a month before. The roots are so lengthy, it is well grown. If you want, you can directly have this bushy money plant in the glass bowl itself. If you don't regularly change the water, there may be mosquito larvae in the water. So make sure you regularly change the water. The cuttings need adequate light. Submerge only the root nodes, don't submerge the leaves. Gonna shift this bushy money plant from the water bowl to this beautiful terracotta planter. I've added a potting mix. It is having a composition of garden soil, coco pit and vermicompost. The potting mix composition that I have used is 40% garden soil, 40% coco pit and 20% vermicompost. You can also try ceramic planters, but make sure there should be drainage holes. Actually, this is not an exact planter. Actually, these are kitchen containers. I've purchased it, I've made a hole, a drainage hole, and I've made it as a ceramic planters. This is one of my bushy golden pothos. So beautiful, lush green. This is another a bushy marble money plant. This is a beautiful terracotta planter, 100% handmade, with a lot of intrinsic designs. I bought this from a roadside shop, 100% handmade and so beautiful. Let's try decorating this planter with our lush green bushy money plants. I'm always fond of money plants, and this is my urban jungle, a mini money plant forest. I love allowing them to grow as wild as they are. I have planted a single money plant a couple of years ago. Now it's like a money plant forest now. Generally, I don't trim or align them in any direction. I love keeping them as natural as they are. Okay, if you feel this video to be useful and entertaining, kindly like, comment and share this video. And more importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.